So this is Briq3 DIVO, the latest product from KyeBriq. This is an Android box that connects to the car. This is the most powerful unit yet on the market, and it has a really cool design. As you can see, it has this nice carbon fiber insert in there, and on the other side has a transparent cover that you can actually see inside of the unit. That is pretty cool, and it has some pretty strong specification. Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 8-core processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. On the top we have a USB-C connector, micro SD card port, and a SIM card port as well for internet connection. Now it also comes packed with an USB-C cable. Actually it's a USB-A with an USB-C adapter, so that is pretty cool. It can facilitate those connections if needed, and also included there is a quick start guide if you have any trouble installing this unit or how to first start it. So let's get started. So this is the main launcher or the main screen of this KyeBriq Android box. You would need an internet connection to be able to properly use it. That can be a hotspot from the phone or a SIM card that can be introduced. It, as we saw before, it has a slot for a SIM card, so you can take a SIM card and that way you can access all the features, and it will work better if it has an active internet connection. But anyway, this is the layout of the app. If you use the CarPlay or Android Auto before, it might look a little bit similar. It has this sidebar on the side where the most recent apps are gonna be shown in there. Now there is this button where all the Android apps, all you have installed of this app, it will show up there. And this favorite bar, I will call it, I haven't found a way to customize this, but I will not worry about that, because being an Android OS device, the sky is the limit in terms of customizing. There are a bunch of launchers for Android that are designed for a car use, so we're gonna take a look at that in a second, but I just wanna show you how we navigate through the menu with this unit. You may have noticed there is a dot here. This is the home button, so if you press it, it will just open this little menu where there are gonna be a lot of smaller commands here, such as a back button. We have a split screen app feature, so I'm gonna demonstrate that split screen feature that it has, which is pretty cool. Let's see. So we can do actually a few things here. We can we can use the maps, and we can watch YouTube in the same time, which I would not really recommend while driving, but we're gonna just, for the sake of it, we'll you know, try to demonstrate it here. So we're having YouTube playing on the right side here, and we have the maps on the left. So let's say we need to go to Costco, we can do that, Costco, and it will just take us, because this unit also, it has built-in GPS connection, I mean a built-in GPS module, so that's nice. And there we go, we have both apps working at the same time. Oh, come on, just take me to Costco. There we go. So can be done. You can watch YouTube on one side, or use Apple or Google Maps. I would say not Apple Maps, and that is totally possible. So the other button here is Google Assistant button. Whenever that it's being tapped, it will bring it up for you, so it will that's helpful sometimes. And this is the app switcher screen, where you could switch between the apps, or you can clear the background apps. But as I said, this button usually will time out after a while. Now The most powerful thing about this is that there is a Google Play Store, so you can install pretty much any app or game you want for your car. So basically this will turn your car screen into a powerhouse here with all the features and stuff. And also another interesting thing is Netflix. This will there is nothing else on the market right now that it will allow users to play Netflix in their car other than Android boxes that are meant for the car such as this. So I'm just gonna quickly demo here how a Netflix works. As you can see, works pretty good, just as it should be. So another cool feature of this Android box would be the Z-Link 5. So basically this will bring a wireless connection for Android Auto or CarPlay. Any of those will work just fine. You have to first connect your phone through Bluetooth to this KyeBriq device, and this will offer wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. And this is only if you want to use it specifically for this application. That can be possible, and it's nice because it's a wireless connection, and as you can see, it's pretty good for what it does. It can be used. By the way, this is the new Android Auto Cool Walk, where the screen is split. You can have Google Maps here and some other content playing here, like songs or similar to that. But anyway, yeah, if you don't want to use Android OS or take advantage of the Google Play or what this unit offers, you just want to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this is also possible. And I'm just gonna demonstrate how the CarPlay works with this as well. So I've connected my iPhone to the Z-Link app through Bluetooth, so this provided a wireless Apple CarPlay connection. And as you can see, there is a little bit of a lag, but it shouldn't be anything concerning. It's still usable. A little bit slower than maybe what are you used to, but that's fine. It's working pretty well for what it's designed to. So this unit is running Android 13, and in terms of specs, as we seen before, it has pretty good specs. And let's see, the all the info about this unit should be here in the settings. And as we can see, there is Android 13 running, so that's pretty nice. It's up to date with a lot of features. Now, I was talking earlier about the launchers. We have a few car launchers, most popular ones. I personally like this one, but we're gonna start with this Gamma car launcher. This can be set as a default instead of this launcher that we're seeing here. You can have this load up when you plug this Android device to your car. So this can be set as a default launcher for this, and it's fully customizable, which is nice. Looks better. I think you can even choose your car logo. I'm not really familiar with this launcher since it's not my favorite, but I really like this one, which is the Vivid launcher, and I think this is more like Android Auto, like I would say. It does have these maps on the left side, and content that can be played on the right side, so that way it doesn't really distract you too much from your activities. Has a more user-friendly look than the other one. But that being said, that's pretty much about this unit. If you have a SIM card, you can make phone calls and dial, or even text messages. It just acts like a phone on your car screen, which is I think pretty cool. Now there is another way you can install apps that are not into Play Store, so any external or third-party apps can be installed with Chrome. You can download to this unit, and then they will have an option exactly like if you are familiar with Android device. then it shouldn't be a problem for you to figure out how to install external apps to this. But that's it. This is pretty much it in terms of what this unit can do. As I said, the sky is the limit. There are a lot of things that can be done, can be customized. You can even have car gauges on the screen here, and have this KyeBriq unit connected to an OBD adapter that will read the live data from your car right on the screen. So I think that is really next level, but that can be done. So yeah, if you have any questions about this product, you can drop the comment in the comment section down below. I will include a link in the video description where you can get this product, and I hope to enjoy this video. We'll see you in the next one.